Now, hyperlink, as we all are using the website, so you have the idea about hyperlink. Hyperlink is the link which is uh, activated. It means that something, if I click on that, it will take me to that location. So it can be a website link, it can be a link to connect to another file, or it can be a link to bring within the same file, even we can create links. Okay. So how to work with hyperlink? There are various types of hyperlink that we can create. So the option is again available in the insert tab only. So let me remove this control B here. Yes. So I'm just writing the basic step how to go about it. So insert and then simply you need to use hyperlink. Fine. Now I'm just showing you the dialog box at first. So insert hyperlink. Now on the left hand side you see the option is existing file or web page. So if you want to connect to an existing file or a web page, in that case you need to choose this option. If it is a web page, simply type the URL over there. So it will be connected. And this is the text to display, means what will appear on the screen on which you will do the click. Am I clear? So hyperlink has two things. One, the content that will appear on the screen, text to display, and the target location where it will go when we click on that particular text. Okay, so it may be same as the location, it may be some other text. It is your choice how you want it to appear. Say for example here, I want to display here, say go to, say Google. Okay, this is my display text. Suppose this is my display text. So if this is my display text, then in text to display, I will write this, right? And the address, will be what? My address will be www.google.com. So this will be my web address and this will be my display text. And what I am doing, I want to connect with a web page. So I am going to connect with web page. So these are the options that I'm going to use at first here, right? So what I will do, first select this, go to Google. Suppose on this I'm going to create it. So go to Google, hyperlink. So the text as I have selected, it has come here automatically. Go to Google. See. Address I want. So here I am writing www.google.com. See. By default, existing file or web page is selected. Now, when we are working with the web page part, then this portion, middle portion is not relevant. Okay. If you find it little confusing, let me try to show you. So I am taking this. So uh, in this you see this. When you are working with web page, when you're working with web page, then this portion is not relevant. This part is not relevant for you that time. If you are working with the web page, if you are trying to create a link with the web page, in that case, this portion is not applicable, not required. However, this portion will be useful when you are trying to connect it with the existing file. So this portion is useful only when you are trying to connect with the existing file. Okay. And if you are connecting it with a web page, in that case, the relevant information is only the text to display and the address that you are specifying. All right. So I hope it is clear now. So I come back to this. So this part is not relevant, so I don't bother what is in look in and folder. It is not required. So I click OK, and now see this link is created. When you put your hover mouse pointer on this, see it is giving me a tooltip, control click. Hand sign has come in MS Word. Whenever we work with hyperlink, if you want to use that, we need to press control click. So I press from the keyboard, and now I click on this. So it is taking me directly to the Google website. All right, as I'm connected with net right now, so automatically it has taken me to this particular site. So if I connect it with some other, whatever site I connect it with, it will come there. Okay. Now I can right click on this and I can go to edit hyperlink. So it will bring me back to this screen. Now suppose instead of go to Google, this is the text to display. I want it to display the link itself. So I can put it here and see how it appears. All right. So I hope it is clear to you now. So what you want on the display, that you need to put in the text to display box, and then in address the exact URL, the correct link is to be pasted. So once you do that, it will bring the thing. Okay. So this is how we can create a simple web hyperlink, connect with a web page. So this web hyperlink we can create like this. However, the requirement is that you need to know the this link address. If you don't know the address, in that case, it will be difficult to create it. Okay. Next is